Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer service in the TAP Portugal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And at the top of the page, look for the Do You Need Help button and click on that. And then click on the Contact Us button at the bottom of the page. And as you can see, at the top of the page, you will find a telephone number which directs you to the contact center. But you can also search for their Facebook and Twitter account, and you can also find different contact options for different problems. So just choose the one that you want, and that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.